In question number 18, you have to draw a line with points A, B, C. A, B, and C on the line. And using these points, the line can be named in 6 different ways, and you have to tell those 6 names, or you can say those 6 different ways. Okay? So now so this is your line. So the number 1 point is A, second point is B, and third point is C. So you can give the names these A, B, C point as the number 1 way is A, B. Since this is a line segment because of the 2 endpoints A and B, so we can mention this way in this manner AB. Similarly B, C, again line segment. Third way is AC, again this AC, and this can also be mentioned in the line segment form. The fourth way is just opposite to the AB, that is BA. Fifth way is CB, and sixth way is CA. So whatever the direction, you can mention the line segment. So in this question, from this question, we have learned that AB or BC means same. You can shuffle these points or these letters, but the meaning will be same. For example, AB and BC both distance are equal. If this is 4 centimeter, then BA is also 4 centimeter and AB is 4 centimeter, because both are AND points. So you can start from any one direction and go to in another direction, whatever you want. Both meaning are same. So come to the point. So this is your answer or solution of question number 18, that is AB, BC, AC, BA, CB and CA. These 6 different ways in which A, B, C on the line can be named in different ways.